Long ago, Shivji and Parvati were living a happy and peaceful life on Mount Kailash. One day, Parvati said to Shivji, Swami, we have not gone out for a long time. Why don't we travel to a new place today? Shivji smiled and said, Your wish is paramount, Devi. Come, let us go to some unknown forest this time. We will enjoy the nature there. Parvati ji happily agreed. Shivji stopped Ganga with his matted locks and said, Ganga, today we will not let you flow here. Stay here till we return. Ganga ji calmed her waves. Then Shivji and Parvati ji started walking towards an unknown forest. That forest was very dense and mysterious. The greenery there was captivating the mind, but there was also a strange silence. While walking, both of them started resting under a big tree. Then Parvati ji heard a strange sound. She said to Lord Shiva, Swami, did you hear that sound? This does not seem to be an ordinary forest. Lord Shiva observed the forest with his third eye and said, Yes, Devi, there is some unknown power in this forest. We have to be cautious. As Shiv and Parvati rested for a while, suddenly a strong wind blew in the forest. The branches of the trees started shaking violently and darkness engulfed everything. Parvati held Shiv's hand tightly. Then a terrifying voice echoed, Who are you people who have come to my forest without my permission? Shivji said in a calm voice, We have come only for a visit. We will not harm you in any way. Suddenly a big, terrifying witch appeared. Her eyes were fiery. Her hair was messy and she was flying in the air. She said angrily, This is my forest. No one can come here without my permission. I will never let you both go back from here. Parvati looked at Shivji in fear. Shivji consoled her and said, We have not come here to do any evil. Just let us rest for some time and we will go. But the witch rejected his offer. He recited a magical mantra and all the creatures of the forest came together and started surrounding Shivji and Parvati ji. Parvati ji gathered courage on seeing this terrifying form of the witch and said, Who are you? And why are you sitting as the owner of this forest? What enmity do you have with us? The witch laughed and said, I am the queen of this forest. Whoever has enmity with me can never go back. I will imprison both of you here forever. Parvati ji said courageously, You cannot imprison us. We are Lord Shiva and Parvati. All your powers are nothing in front of us. Hearing this, a unique smile came on the witch's face. She said, So you people are the ones whom people call God. Well, let me see how much power you have. The witch showed her terrifying form and attacked Parvati ji. But Parvati ji foiled that attack with her power. When Shivji saw that Parvati ji was facing that witch without any fear, he gave her more courage. Shivji told the witch, Your mind is filled with anger and hatred. This will take you further into darkness. Shivji told the witch, Your mind is filled with anger and hatred. This will take you further into darkness. You listen to us and free this forest. The witch got angry and said, Shall I free you? This forest is mine. All the powers here are mine. I will not listen to anyone. Shivji tried to explain to her patiently, This anger of yours will destroy you. If you listen to us, we will show you the path of peace. But the witch ignored Shivji's words and tried to defeat him with her powers. Shivji did not use his third eye because he wanted the witch to understand her ego herself. Shivji saw the witch's past with his divine sight and said, Why did you fall into this misfortune? What happened in your life that made you so cruel? The witch suddenly stopped and said, What do you know about my past? You don't know what I have suffered. Shivji said, I know. You were once a simple woman. You were tortured. Your soul was wounded and this hardened your heart. But you can come out of this darkness. The witch's eyes filled with tears. She recalled the memories of her old life and said, Yes, I have suffered a lot. People betrayed me. My loved ones left me. Since then I took this form and became the queen of this forest. Shivji consoled her. I can understand your pain, but this path is not right. You have to adopt peace and love in your life again. Parvati ji, understanding the witch's pain, and said, My heart melts seeing your condition. I have to give you a chance. If you want, you can come out of this darkness. The witch said in confusion, Is this possible? Can I live a normal life again? Parvati ji assured her, Yes, there is still a trace of goodness within you. If you wish with all your heart, you will find peace. We have to free our soul. The witch decided to gradually give up the darkness within her. She surrendered all her powers at the feet of Shiva and Parvati and resolved to follow their guidance. Shivji and Parvati ji blessed the witch. Shivji produced a divine light from his third eye, which fell on the witch's body. With that light, the witch's dark, terrifying form slowly started to fade away. The witch's body changed, and she appeared as a beautiful, calm woman. There was no anger and hatred in her eyes now, but there was a glimpse of peace and love. Shivji said, Now you are free. You have no bondage in this forest. Now you can make a new beginning. Parvati ji gave her a new direction. Whatever power you have within you, use it now for good work. You protect this forest and work for its prosperity. The witch bowed her head and bowed at his feet and said, Thank you for giving me a new life. Now I will use all my powers for good works. Shivji and Parvati ji blessed the witch and left her on her new path. They both set out on their journey again. The forest was no longer as dark as before. The branches of the trees were now quiet. Animals and birds were roaming freely, and there was a wave of peace and happiness in the atmosphere. The witch, who had now become an ordinary woman, vowed to protect the forest. She promised to live in love and peace with every creature in the forest. Parvati ji and Shivji returned to Mount Kailash. This journey taught them how important a role love and kindness play in any person's life. Finally, the forest was filled with peace and prosperity, and the witch enjoyed life together with all the creatures there. She was no longer a cause of fear for anyone, but became a protector and guide. Thus, this journey of Shivji and Parvati ji gave life back to a lost soul by bringing it on the right path.
If you like this story, then subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories.